The word as is a straight ahead road sign indicating that the sentence will continue its original direction. Euphoria means exultant gladness, and so a good prediction for the blank is happiness. So according to the prediction, choice F and choice B can be eliminated, which mean hungry and thoughtful respectively, and do not make any sense to fit the blank. Choice A and D mean annoyed and detestable respectively, both of which are negative in their meaning and so unfit with respect to the blank as correct answer and with respect to our prediction. So we can eliminate choice A and choice D. Choice C and choice E both create synonymous meaning of happy as ecstatic and ebullient mean delighted and high-spirited respectively. So choice C and E are the correct answers for the blank.